Is increasing your back strength something you want to work on? Well, we're going to do that today and still incorporate our core muscles.
Hi, I'm Ashley, and I love helping new moms gain strength and lose pounds through clean eating and exercise. Head over to my website for recipes and workouts.
Let's get started. You're going to go into a tabletop position, hands underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. Kick your right leg out, left arm out. Raise them up. Control coming down. Let them tap at the same time. Raise them up and control coming down. As you raise them up, you want to prevent an arch in your back. So tuck your tailbone under and pull that core in. You want to have control as you bring it up, not letting one go above higher than the other, and then tap it right back down, breathing in and out. Looking right over those fingertips. Pull that core muscle, keeping that back level, and let's pulse. Lifting through that hip, reaching those fingertips front, pointing that toe, elongating the body. Now bring your arm back along your side and front. Bring it back, reaching the fingertips, and bring it front. Bend your knee and try to grab your foot. Holding up, breathe, breathe, breathe. Make that back work and release, lower down. Now let's repeat on the other side. Kick your left leg back, right arm front. Reach up and bring it down. Making sure to stretch those fingertips front. Point that toe, stretch the leg back. Pulling in that core, trying to prevent that arch in the back. Looking right over your fingertips. Try not to kick that leg higher than the arm. Feel the resistance as you come back down, breathing in and out. Pilates is all about utilizing your muscles, having control not only as you go up holding, but lowering back down. Good job. Keep it up. And let's hold it. Pulsing up and up. Going through that hip, pointing the toe, breathing in. Now reach the arm back alongside the body and reach it front. Reach it back and reach it front. Work on keeping that leg up. Try not letting it fall. You're going to start to feel the burn down the hamstring. Bend your knee, reach for the foot, and hold, hold, hold. Breathe. Really feeling that back, holding yourself up and release, lower down. Good job. Thank you for joining me. Make sure you hit subscribe, and here is your next video.